Guys, shrinkage for natural hair is real. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Couscous. So guys, I'll be talking about 8 different ways to maintain your hair for maximum hair growth. Number 1, water should be your best friend. When it comes to keeping natural hair, water should be an absolute necessity. Do not detangle your hair without water. You know, natural hair can tangle a lot and it can dry off easily. Attempting to comb through dry and tangled hair will only leave your scalp with weird headache and breakage. So avoid this by making sure that you take your time to wet your hair with water. Make sure your hair is damp and wet before you comb through your hair, and also before you detangle it. You can put water in a spray bottle and then spray it around your hair, or you stand in a shower during the detangling process. So make sure that your hair is moisturized enough with water before you detangle it in order to avoid breakage and damage. Number 2, adopt a wash day routine. Your hair should be washed weekly or twice a week to avoid dryness or frizziness. Your hair shouldn't be something you just wake up in the morning and decide to wash it anytime, any day. You have to fix a date. If it's every Saturdays, you do it every Saturdays. If it's going to be twice a week, you make it twice a week. If it's going to be once in every 2 weeks, you make it that way. Maintain the date, maintain the timing, adopt a routine. Take time to wash your hair. Do not wash your hair when you are busy. Do not wash your hair when you want to go out, so you quickly rush over it. No, take your time to wash your hair so you can go through the detangling process without having to damage your hair. Give maximum attention to your hair. Do not rush over your hair. Number 3, hydrate your hair always. Natural hair tends to dry out easily and quickly, and you have to hydrate your hair in order to avoid dryness or frizziness or dandruff. So you do this by applying hydrating milk, oil, hair butter, or cream in order to keep your hair moisturized. And this helps a lot to grow your hair and also kick against dryness of scalp and dandruff. Even when your hair is on twist or cornrow or braids, make sure you hydrate your hair. Make sure you constantly apply cream on your hair or hair butters or hair oil. Make sure you do that always in order to keep your hair hydrated. Number 4, make sure your hair is always in protective styles. With protective styles, you reduce the chances of overcombing your hair, overstyling your hair, or damaging your hair. You know, protective styles means you just maybe weave your hair all back, that is cornrow, or you twist your hair, or or you keep your hair in braids. Not always, not every time you are manipulating your scalp. When you stop manipulating your scalp, miracle will happen to your hair. You see your hair growing naturally. So protective styles helps you to reduce the risk of damaging your hair by overcombing your hair or overstyling your hair. You know, some people play around with your hair. That is not really nice to the hair. So make sure your hair is always on protective styles. Number 5, make sure you use a sulfur-free shampoo. Many shampoos in the market contains lots and lots of chemicals, and that is how they make their money, because these chemicals makes the shampoo to increase in quantity. You get it? So they get to sell more to you guys. So when you are buying shampoo, make sure you check the description. Make sure it is natural. It is sulfur-free, because all these shampoos that have sulfur has a lot of chemicals in it. Make sure you stay away from all these shampoos that have sulfurs in it. They are L'Oreal, or any of the L'Oreal. Just check and you will see it. It is boldly written. Those things are chemicals. So make sure you stay away from shampoos that has those stuff. Maybe I would advise you go for organic shampoos, or you can make black soap shampoo for yourself. Okay, make sure you stay away from any shampoo that has sulfur in it. I am begging you, stay away from them. They are dangerous to the scalp. Make sure you cover your hair during harsh weather. During Harmattan season or during Harmattan period is not a time to flaunt your hair. It's not a time to showcase your hair. It's not a time to pose with your hair. It is a time to protect your hair with everything that is in you. unless you don't like your hair, because it's going to cause a lot of damage. Harmattan period is very, very harsh for the hair. So make sure you protect your hair by covering your hair or by putting your hair in cornrows or twists. Just find a way to protect your hair. Number 7, make sure you use a wide tooth comb to comb your hair. It is not a time to be using tiny comb or very little comb or combs that the mouth is too tiny to pass through your hair to comb your hair. Make sure you go for those ones that have bigger teeth or wider feet. Anyhow, just make sure you go for a bigger comb. Don't struggle to comb your hair. Any comb that does not pass through your hair easily is is risky for your hair growth. It's going to cause a lot of damage. So avoid such combs. Number 8, guys, make sure you eat healthy meals. Healthy meals, as we know, is very, very essential for our body. And it is also very, very essential for our hair growth because they contribute to healthy and stronger hair. So why not take a lot of healthy meals? Healthy meals like fruits, vegetables, whole grains contribute a lot to your hair growth. So do not take them for granted. Source for them and consume them for your hair growth. For a healthy scalp, eat food that is rich in omega-3 fatty acids such as salmon, walnuts, avocados. See, these stuff are very nice for the hair. You will just see your hair growing probably without stress. Hair growth is a gradual process. It's not something you wake up overnight and see. It is only pimples you will sleep and wake up overnight and see on your face. But the hair is not like that. You have to give it some time. But while you are giving it some time, these 8 points I've given to you should be taken into consideration because it will help you a lot in your hair journey. So guys, thank you so much for being a part of this video. If it was helpful to you, please don't forget to give me thumbs up, drop comments, and then also subscribe. And don't forget to share it with your friends and your family members. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.